So yesterday we completed the question and answers part of friction lesson, think and discuss. Today we are going with synthetic fibers and plastic. Okay. In that the first question is which fiber source material is not exhaustible by? Okay, what are exhaustible and what are non-exhaustible we discussed, no? So which fiber source material is not exhaustible? Why? He is asking. So let us answer that question. First one, which fiber source material is not by? For this the answer prepared from petroleum based substances or
Start.
so see here, which fiber source material is not exhaustible by? Coming to here, which are not exhaustible? Synthetic fibers are not exhaustible. Synthetic fiber sources are not exhaustible because synthetic fibers are man-made. They prepared from petroleum-based substances or petrochemicals. If normal natural fibers means we are getting from cotton and plants and animals. So what will happen? They will get exhaustible. So here coming to synthetic fiber sources are not exhaustible because they are man-made and they are prepared from petroleum based substances or petrochemicals. The sources of synthetic fibers are cheap and made from different man-made processes. So they are not exhaustible. Okay, got the point? Now in this one more question is there, the second question, how synthetic fibers evolved to the present position? How they are evolved? Okay, how we found that one? We are going to discuss about that. Now next one.
Start.
Synthetic fibers. How synthetic fibers evolved to the present position. Present position. Answer. Synthetic fibers dry up easily. They are durable, less expensive, they are readily available, and easy to maintain. due to which they retain original shape when compressed or stretched. They do not
Start.
retain their original shape. They can handle heavy loads without breaking. So see here, what is the answer? How synthetic fibers evolved to the present position. Synthetic fibers dry up easily. They are durable, less expensive. They are readily available and easy to maintain. Okay, than the natural fibers. What is the importance of this one is they are durable, okay, less expensive. They are readily available and easy to maintain. Some cotton fabrics like rayon absorb moisture or sweat, hence keep lightweight. We know that with rayon what we will prepare? Diapers. These things we will prepare. What is the nature of rayon? They absorb this one. Most of them are elastic due to which they retain their original shape when compressed or stretched. Again they will come back to their normal position. You can see that. Did you understand? Means we no need to iron them. Next one, they do not wrinkle easily, retain their original shape. They can handle heavy loads without breaking. The difference between natural fibers are very expensive. Then artificial fibers are less expensive. They are less durable. These are more durable. They have to be ironed. This no need to be ironed. That will come in. What is that? More wrinkles will be formed there. Here they are wrinkle free. They absorb more water. This absorbs less water. So synthetic fibers dry up easily. They are durable, less expensive. They are readily available and easy to maintain. Some cotton fabrics like rayon absorb moisture or sweat, hence keep lightweight. Most of them are elastic due to which they retain their original shape. When compressed or stretched, they do not wrinkle easily, retain their original shape. They can handle heavy loads without breaking. This is the answer. Next one is, the third one is, if we use cotton cloth and cotton ropes in preparing a parachute, what will happen? Instead of synthetic fiber, if we are making a parachute with cotton cloth or cotton rope, what will happen? That is the question. For that we are going to answer now.
Start.
So the next one, as I said for you, if we use cotton cloth and cotton ropes in preparing a parachute, what will happen? Answer. So see here, what will happen? If we use cotton cloth and cotton ropes in preparing parachute, what will happen? Nylon is, first we are going to indicate with what we are preparing parachutes. Already I said for you, with the nylon cloth we are preparing parachute. Nylon is much stronger than other threads. Nylon thread is stronger than steel wire. How strong the steel wire will be, than that strong the nylon wire will be, of same thickness. We use we use nylon fiber to prepare parachutes. Did you understand? Why? Because it flies in the sky and it carries the weight. So we cannot use any other thread which is weak in nature. What will happen? Immediately we will fall down and we may die or break our hands and legs. So catch this point. Nylon is much stronger than other threads. Nylon is stronger than steel wire of same thickness. So we use nylon fiber to prepare parachutes. Next one, if we use cotton ropes in preparing a parachute, the rope may be cut easily because it is not as strong as nylon. Cotton also absorbs water easily. Absorbing water makes cotton weak and cause the fiber to break. What is the nature of cotton? Cotton absorbs the water. Did you understand? So what will happen? Will it can it fly in the sky? It cannot. Did you understand? And how the rope will be? It may cut in the middle. So because of that, we are preferring nylon than the cotton. Did you follow? We are going to continue the remaining answers tomorrow. Thank you.